And why do you feel that Veterans Day is important?
I feel Veterans Day is important because of all my friends that died when I was deployed who have done nothing but to ensure the freedom of our people, even if that freedom means to protest the soldiers and everyone else who has served.
Remembering heroes. Veterans Day is an important day. Soldiers fight for us in important ways. They care for every American. They travel far away, they leave their families, they work hard every day. They fight for what is right, they see victory in sight, they care for our freedom, they only hope to beat them. When things get rough, they stick with it. They work together, they sure don't sit. Every soldier is a hero. Thank you for your service.
Why do you think Veterans Day is so important?
To remember our fallen comrades.
A veteran can be your mother, father, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, or basically someone who has served in any of the branches of the armed forces, whether that be the Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, or Reserves. These men and women sacrifice their lives so we can live in a free country. Veterans Day is the day that we pay tribute to these men and women.
And then why do you think Veterans Day is so important?
Well, I think people need to understand that there are a lot of people that died for this country, and that's one way of remembering them.
The inspiration our veterans provide is invaluable. They leave their entire lives behind to go fight for our country and its values. They risk their entire existence here on earth to make others' lives better. And they make all these risks without asking for anything in return.
And why do you think Veterans Day is important?
It shows respect and honor to all those who have served before us, especially those who were killed in action.
Thank you for your service.